Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Discover not showing. So to start, open Google. Next, tap your profile at the bottom right corner. Next, at the top, so swipe it and look for delete last 15 minutes to delete your history. So tap delete last 15 minutes. So it's now deleting. Wait for it to process. So once done, go back and see if that fixed the issue. Next, so open Google app again, then click your profile in the bottom right corner. Then go to settings in the top right. Then scroll down and go to privacy and safety. Next, so under activity, select clear cookies to clear cache. Then tap clear all. You can also select clear app history, then tap clear all. Once done, close this, close Google, and reopen it and see if that fixed the issue. Next, another method is to go to your settings, go to Wi Fi, and make sure your internet is stable. You can switch to another network, or you can turn this off for about 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it back on, connect to a network, and see if that fixed the issue. You can also switch from Wi Fi to data or from data to Wi Fi. Next method is to again go to settings, scroll down and go to general, scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and look for Google. Tap on it. Next, tap Offload App. Tap Offload App again to confirm the action. Then, once Reinstall App appears, click on it to place back your data. Then, just wait for it to finish reinstalling. So, this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So, it may take a while. So, once this is done, open Google again and see if that fixed the issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.